Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently disable Windows 10 firewall. For this, click on this one Start button, then click Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings window, click on this one Update and Security. On the left sidebar, click on this one Windows Security option. On the right, click on this one button Open Windows Security. Beside Home, click on this one Firewall and Network Protection option. Here, click on this one Public Network. Then under Microsoft Defender Firewall, turn off this one toggle switch. Windows will prompt, click Yes. This will permanently disable Windows Firewall and your device will be vulnerable. After performing a certain task, if you are not using a third-party firewall, we will recommend you turn on this one toggle switch to protect your computer from online viruses and threats.